from here, so what remains in this part or this line is dy over y plus 6v squared. Sorry. Okay, sorry. So you have 6b squared minus 7 dv all over 6v cubed minus 21v, which is equivalent to 0. Now, in this part, we can now integrate. Okay, we can now integrate. Okay, we can now integrate. So, timaan nato ni ha. So, v squared, v cubed, 721. Okay. So, after this, let me clear the frame because we don't have any more space. When we have, we don't have any space. Okay, so let me clear the frame. So last we end with this dy over y plus 2, right? 6v squared minus 7 over 6v cubed minus 21v. Let me check. That is the. Let me check, so that. Okay, let me check with our solution here. So we end up with, okay, 6b squared dv. Okay, that is correct. So from here, we'll now integrate this one. Okay, now question. So how will we integrate this? We know this one that is logarithmic. How will we integrate the second one? How will we integrate the second one? Guys, how will you integrate that one? I-substitute ang b. How will we substitute ang b? So, unsa may method ang gamito nato na integral calculus. Okay, integral calculus. How will we integrate this one? U, unsa may u nato? Okay. So what unsa day ang atong what are we trying to accomplish here? What method are we trying to accomplish here? If we make this denominator as u, therefore what we are targeting? Unsang method man ang i-target nato? Power rule, trigonometric na sine cosine, or inverse trigonometric, hyperbolic, or logarithmic, or any other method. Or maybe we are trying to do partial fraction, integration by parts, trigonometric substitution, saman. What are we trying to, if you make this denominator as our u, then what are we trying to accomplish? So we need to also understand, so we don't just say that, okay, this is how you do it. So we are trying to look into what are we trying to do in our solution. So we cannot just solve, okay? So we need to understand first. So look in the denominator, okay, so that you will know, okay? You don't just, if I derive this denominator, will I arrive partly similar with my numerator? Yes or no? If I derive my denominator, will I have a form similar with my numerator? Yes or no? Yes, therefore, we are trying to do the logarithmic. Okay? So, those are the things you need to remember. Okay? So, if you want your denominator as u, therefore, you are trying to do logarithmic. But if you want to have a power here, then you are trying to do power rule and other rules. If you want to separate this one, then you have two values and you want to have two variables, then you are trying to accomplish uh, partial fractions or partial fraction decomposition. If you will use the other one as u and the other one as dv, then you are trying to do integration by parts. Okay, you please i-recall lang inyong calculus. I'm sure i-discuss man po na ninyo. Okay, so let's try. So as you've said, we try to use our u, our denominator as our u. So we're trying to accomplish logarithmic na functions. So we have v cubed minus 21v. So therefore your du is equivalent to, what is our du? What is the derivative of 6v cubed minus 21v? Iyan? What is the derivative of... Okay. Okay. Sunod. Very good. So, 3 times 6, that is 18. 18, right? V squared minus 21. 21. dv. Okay? So, don't forget the dv. When you derive, you always end up with dv. And after that, your dv will be equivalent to your du over 18v squared. Very good. Minus, sorry, I forgot the 21. 21v. Okay. From there, we'll just need to substitute. It here. Okay? Ano siya? This is dv man, di ba? So, this is dv. That is dv. So now let's substitute. So copy first. Integral of dy over y plus integral of 6v squared minus 7 times 18v squared. Wrong. Sorry, that is wrong. That is du over 18v squared minus 20, not 21 only, there's no v here. Okay, there's no v here. It is just 21. Okay, this is minus 21. And this is 21. All over, this is our u, right? Okay, equivalent to integral of 0. So from here, what can you observe? So from here, let's simplify it further so that gears here. dy over y plus integral of this. So what did you observe? So we have here 6v squared minus 7, and then we have here over u, okay, very good. So therefore this is, sorry, that is just equal to 6v squared minus 7, right? So from here, so if you could see the 3, this is 3. Let me write this one. Okay, sorry ha. Kurog akong mouse. Nang haway akong kamot. Okay, so let's multiply this with 3. Okay, so 3 times 6, that is 18, right? 18v squared. 3 times 7 is 21. So there, if you could see, you have the same variable here. So therefore, we could cancel this one and this one. What remains is 1/3. Okay, so dy over y plus, let's move the 1/3 outside the integral sign. Yes, integral du over u equals integral of 0. So we accomplish our target to arrive with logarithmic. Okay? So remember, kanunay ni siya guys. If you want to use your u as your denominator as u, therefore you are trying to accomplish logarithmic. Okay? So, pero kung logarithmic, nga ni, ang output ani logarithmic functions man eh. So, if your denominator, if you use your denominator as u, therefore you are trying to use logarithmic functions. Okay? So, and recall your other processes. Okay, from now, we'll just integrate this one. So, you have ln y plus 1/3 ln of u equals, let's make this one ln c. Okay. So, from here, let's just multiply this one with 3 so that we don't have fractions, or pwede rin po, pero mas better wala fractions para dito kayo langan. Okay, so 3 ln of y plus ln of u. What is our u? Substitute na lang nato. 6 b cubed minus 21b. So, by the way guys, sir, aso ng 1/3, we multiply 3 so that makancel ang 1/3. So, mawala na siyang 1/3 ani. Okay. Next is equals, okay, let's have, okay, ln c cube or okay, so you have ln y cube plus ln 6v cube minus 21v equals ln c cube. Okay. After that, this is logarithm. So let's use the logarithm na rule. So combine this one because these are separated with an addition sign, therefore it is multiplied. So ln of y cube multiplied by 6v cube minus 21v equals ln c cube. So transferring this one to the other side,